Are you tired of investigating a problem yourself or ordering a costly service and waiting till the expert shows up on site? Unhappy that often half of the service charges are travel costs? All this is time-consuming, expensive and inefficient. Wouldn't it be great if an expert were available immediately, on the spot? An expert who connects to you virtually and gets a look at the machine through your eyes from his office. Smart Service Plan enables just this. Experts can connect live to you and share knowledge remotely, immediately worldwide, whenever you like and wherever you are. Bidirectional video and audio streams allow users to see and share exactly the same things. Thus, problems can be solved more easily and solutions are found fast. Smart Service Plan integrates perfectly into companies' processes, ideally with smart glasses, but also with all tablets and smartphones. Starting the support is very easy. You scan the QR code on your machine and log in, and you and our technician instantly get access to all the relevant information. With the help of augmented reality features, our technician can take a look into the machine while providing instructions remotely. You can easily create and share screenshots for documentation purposes. Pictures say more than 1,000 words. If there's an additional need for clarification, a video ticket can be created with just one click, or an expert from our R&D department can be invited to join the call. Also, machine information, contact persons, documents and checklists are deposited there and can be shared across all participants. Smart Service Plan takes it to the next dimension of service. Boost efficiency, reduce service costs and waiting times, and increase the availability and productivity of your machines. A fixed annual flat rate makes service costs transparent and predictable. Smart Service Plan. 24/7 service whenever you need it. For more information, call your Norican Group representative or visit noricandigital.com.